Stephen is the man with the hat and the metal detector.
Paul and myself are on my Roman horde field once again, but this time he's bringing his friend Stuart, who's got the Spinadisc retail outlet for metal detectors in Halifax in West Yorkshire. I've never met Stuart, but he's bringing a range of detectors with him to see, if any, which one can find a Roman silver coin. The challenge is on simply because we've been here a few times, myself with a few friends, myself and Paul a few times. He even brought with him, do you remember that video? A GPR, a ground penetrating radar, and we couldn't find anything, but we know they're there. How do we know? Because after test trenches we can find scattered Roman coins just here and there, but we can't dig the whole field up with scattered trenches. So I guess it's going to be a test of which machine is going to be the best. I don't know what he's bringing with him, but we'll go through those when he arrives and we'll see which one, if any, can find another Roman silver. The game is on. The farmer has been muck spreading. Oh dear. This could be a messy morning. Oh golly, it's cold here this morning. It's 7 degrees. I'm in London next week, mudlarking for 3 days, so that's going to be cold. Right. Let's get her turned on. That doesn't sound too bad. Second signal this one, the first one was just rubbish. Hey up, I got a shilling. 1954. No silver. Not a scrap. Still might have a go at making a coin from it though. But my advice to anybody who wins this is don't wear it. Now Paul's supposed to be here at 10:30 and he's early.
You're early?
You're early?
Wait a minute.
You've never been early, ever.
Huh?
Right, so we're on the go. We've got a Dias on the go. We've got your thing.
New Amphibio.
Amphibio. And what have you brought with you, Stuart? What machines have you brought?
Equinox 800.
Equinox 8. Is that what you're using now?
Yes, I'm going to use that.
Okay. We have had some success on here with the Mine Lab before. It's a CTX 17-inch coil.
Right.
So hopefully we'll find something with that today. If not, you've got something else to test?
Yes, we have. We've got the golden mask.
Right, okay, I'm not familiar with that.
Yeah, it's very good for the money. You know, it's one of these machines that's under £300.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Well,
Yeah.
it'll be interesting to see how that performs.
Well, yeah, it just mainly works in the ferrous and non-ferrous.
Right, okay, so dig or don't dig.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah. Trash.
Yes, silver paper.
Sneaking up on you in case you've got anything good.
It's another one out of the way though, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. I've just dug a 14-inch deep hole with a little bit of tin at the bottom.
And there's one hole I had to leave. I was going down and down and down.
That's it, you see. If Paul had been there, he'd have kept on going. I said, you don't give up, do you, Paul? You always dig until you find the target, even if it's 2.5 to 3 foot deep.
Always. Always.
Now then, Paul came over and said, get your camera on.
Well, I've been detecting away, testing all these.
Well, the thing is, I know it's pointless to hunt here, so I don't even bother. Go on then.
Huh?
What have you got then?
You ready?
Yeah? Naffle.
No, absolutely nothing.
See, we're in that hole all that time.
Yeah.
And how deep was it? Waist deep?
I just lost the target.
I bet that's the same one you had before and lost. I bet if I bring you back next year, you'll dig the same one again.
Probably.
Oh, he's getting signals in both directions.
I'll go get the spade now.
Hey, well, I found something. Even if it is only a cow tube.
Bring your machine, Steve.
Turned it off.
Huh?
I've turned it off.
Is it back on again Are you getting a little squeak there?
Yeah, but your hole's in the wrong place. It's on that edge of the hole.
Yes, I know.
Why don't you dig it out, Paul? Because you like digging iron, don't
I want to get all three. Oh, it's got all machines on here, look. So let's see.
Got no numbers at the moment. All his sounds sound exactly the same to me. They do.
Huh?
Your rubbish sounds like that, your good ones sound like that. I can't tell anything on yours.
Oh. Well, we'll see, won't we?
Well, I've got 99 tones, so it's got to give one of the tones. You've got one tone.
I had 2 tons.
Did you?
I pulled a bit of iron out.
Ah, so there's a bit more iron in there then.
Probably, yeah. We'll soon find out, huh?
Yeah.
We'll soon find out.
Right, you watch. This hole will end up being about 4 foot wide and 3 foot deep. Oh,
Moon's not coming out.
and the moon's not coming yet. Oh, they missed the man pants you got on.
Looking at my pants. It's going to be deep, this, you know.
You need to take this whole corner out.
Which?
This corner towards me.
This one?
Yeah. You got iron nuts.
I've got sweep down my pants. What are you getting now?
That's underneath that red X at the end of my coil.
What way of that bit of pottery is?
Yeah. Beep, 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 beep.
A button.
You got a button?
So you're not both wrong.
Hey!
That's a button. It was very deep down, like. Knock to wins.
Doctor does win. Let's have a look. It does, doesn't it? And it's certainly non-ferrous, that. 100%. Wow, that's impressed me.
Yeah, because mine was showing a good signal. yeah, right.
What's
Mine
up?
was showing a good signal, but the iron numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying I told you so. I don't like that. But that picked now and 2 bits of iron as well.
I think Deus wins today, though.
How does it?
I got a coin. $19.54 though, not a scrap of silver in it.
Well, just one coin?
Yeah. That's it.
Just one coin?
Yeah, just one coin.
And DS wins for that?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
You got 3 coins.
I got 3 coins.
Right.
How's my lad doing? How's my lad doing? Just because mine's better than yours.
What?
It's actually 4 coins, not 3. 4, look. All I said is, I think that detector's really good, yeah? You tried both of yours, pieces of shit, pieces of... You can beat that.
I'll get you before the day's out.
Ah, no. When you're in a field, feeling sad.
Well, I do think it's about time, perhaps, I left this field now in peace. Stop bringing people here with their hopes raised. There's nothing else to be found.
Oh.
Stop doing that with my voice.
What? What am I doing?
Huh? You keep saying I've got a microphone upside down, I don't even have a microphone on me. Whoa! But it's only me studying with fines.
Yeah. Should I put your voice back to normal now?
Yeah, please put my voice back to normal. Put it right way up as well.
Alright. You found all those today?
Found all them today, yeah.
I only found that.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying my new machine's better than yours, but It's kind of looking that way, isn't it? I mean, you and Stuart were calling a lot, weren't you?
We were actually.
You were calling a lot.
Yeah.
Otherwise we'd have found more than you.
Huh?
Can't shut him up.
I know. Yeah.
Right, well, I've only got one old shilling. I'll turn that into a coin ring for the giveaway. He's got a handful of coins. Rubbish.
From the new Amphibio from Nocta, which you can buy from Stuart's shop, Spinadisc.
In Halifax.
Yes.
Thank you for joining me, and don't forget, if you want to come along to my coin ring masterclasses in my study in my home here in Yorkshire, you can come along and leave at the end of the day with a coin ring that you have made yourself. It'll be a fun day and I'm looking forward to it. See all the details in the video description. Right, let's just pop over and see who last week's giveaway winner was for that coin ring, and good luck. Here's the results of the coin ring winner giveaway from my last video. Well done. To be in with a chance for the next draw, make sure you're a subscriber, leave a thumbs up, and you comment on this video with the hashtag coin ring giveaway. Hey, congratulations, well done, and if you've not yet won a coin ring, keep trying, including on this video. You can see down there I've got information about 3 coin rings other than the giveaway, and also if you're interested in seeing another video featuring Paul, you can click over there and see more featuring Paul. I'll catch you later, and thank you for joining us.